Leave that man alone. Say it again until they believe it. Say it again.
Guys, buy all the books. I benefit from them also because I am the manager.
What's gonna hear from me again? Just say, we love her though.
Lifestyle vlogs about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl.
It's Saturday and it's a new vlog. I'm your girl V-La-Nessa. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back to all my VPs. Welcome. You probably wonder why I'm so perky today. I'm just trying to be in a good frame of mind. And we're not going to look on anything else. No, we just come to start off the vlog. If you're new, subscribe. You'll like it over here because over here we deal with all things that is real life, real growth, all through faith, right? If you love God, if you want to see the realness, stay tuned, you know, follow me on this journey. And I do have videos from Timbuktu when I used to be on the J1, H2B, and now I'm in my 30s. I'm move closer to 40 still, trying to figure out life. Yeah, so subscribe. I'll wait. It's free to subscribe, so just subscribe and like the video before you even go any further. Anyhow, I got up, did everything that I need to do. I feel bored and I just feel like I just want to drive out. And really and truly, I shouldn't even do that because you want to drive out, it costs you money. Because even if I don't buy nothing, I am using gas. And even though I am not filling up my tank anymore, I still have to be mindful. So I was just thinking that maybe I should go home because I really need to actually start exercising. So I was thinking that I should go and get my mat, because even if I want to exercise here, to go down and exercise is going to be a little bit rough because the tile is very hard. And then I want to go and get my skipping rope. So even if I don't want to go and walk, I can skip. And we've been walking, but not consistently. And I just want to know that when I'm not walking, I can actually stay inside and skip. Or stay inside and do some abs or something like that. So I was thinking that maybe I should go for that. Not only that, it is my cousin's birthday today. And I don't know, maybe I'll get her. I have two person birthday. Yes. And then I have nobody to save me. It's supposed to be dropped down in there with each stroke. I am delicate, you don't know that each stroke is a thing. I also want to go and wash my car. Best to wash my car. What I normally do inside, but I haven't done that in a while. And inside is messy because I've been going back and forth, and people been going in the car in and out. And I just feel like it want to clean. I want like a professional. Listen, we can do that good. We can do it good. But you know, sometimes you just don't want to do nothing, and especially know that the sun is hot. And maybe I should just do it and save the money. I can use the money to do something else. You know what? We'll decide. So I got up this morning and washed my hair. It's still wet. I don't know if you can see it. It's still wet. But it just dry. Even though I use the leave-in conditioner. Just dry. I need something that make it more. You see that gel? I need to get back that gel because that gel was so good on my hair. I really love it. It's from Dr. I don't remember. If I remember, I'll put it up here. I really need to get back that. And I saw the other one, which is the conditioner, I think, but I cannot see the gel out here. I need to get that exact gel because that exact gel make girl look like coolie. Anyway, I'm going to decide what I'm going to do. Either I'm going to get ready because even if I go on the road, I'm just going to put on a hat because the girl not pulling out anything because girl hair is still wet. You understand? Alright. Guys, change of plan. Can't find the car key. I literally put on my clothes and everything, and there I look for the car key for about half an hour. So it's either you get mixed up in the bestest things and then gone with it and then it's nowhere near, or it just misplaced. We don't know because we didn't move up a lot of things this morning. I just can't find the key. So my thought is that maybe God is protecting me from something. So I'm just going to stay here and get the things another time. So I need the mat and the skipping rope. I'll get that another time. The car, we don't really have to wash the car. That is just my preference. So I'm just going to stay home and chill as I normally do. Listen, sometimes God redirect you be serious from things, and you just need to adhere by it. So I'm not going to push it any further, because what I could do is to take a taxi, and I'd never know what God is protecting me from. So I'm just gonna just chill. I'm just gonna chill. Alright. If I can't get to go outside, then I'm gonna see if I can probably plait up my hair, because I wanna see the 2 bundle hair that I bought the other day can actually do my hair. As you can see, the hair is still wet. Have this here. I really like this, but it takes a very long time to blow dry. It's not like the traditional blow dryer. It straightens the hair and it does it good. So I'm gonna use this. Guys, I feel like, well, it kind of look like a clip, but I feel like I want to clip it somewhere, but I don't have my hair scissors with me, because you can see it's still kind of blunt, but I feel like it needs to pull it a bit. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see up here, so I want to cut now, you see? Right this so. Right this so. So when I go home, I get the scissors. Cut right, I say, you see it? Right this so. I may have scissors in the boat, I just don't want to use any scissors in my ears. Cut off wall up here so. So I'm gonna go ahead and plait it up. It's the best I can do that. Figure out a style that me go do. This is why my hair can never do, because every time I decide that I'm going to do it and then I start, you never make age yourself with me. I feel I struggle with my hair. When I sketch it up here, I'm not going to waste the hair. I know so the hair can do. I know. So I'm not going to try and then it gonna look scanty and me not buy the rest of the hair yet. You understand? So I'm not going to try. It's either I'll go to the salon, let them sew in the Burmese colors that I have, and then them miracle knot around it so that it look flawless, or carry on the front and then miracle knot the back. Me not go waste it. So that was my attempt of combing my hair. It kind of look alright now, so that is it for today. Okay, I tried. You don't necessarily try. Guys, listen, I want you to say this with me. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Say it again until you believe it. Say it again until you believe it. Say it again until you believe it. So, let me tell you something. Sometimes I love who I am, and it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. Now, if you all know me, I have an issue with patience. God never give me too much patience, so I don't like to wait. And if I feel like I have a lot of time and time is just passing, I just want things to keep moving. Alright, and sometimes we need to relax and fast in the moment. But then you have one next time, I just want things just like this, alright? So as I said before, I'm working on something. And I think I can talk about it now because it's kind of the far end stage. So I'm working on this app. It's going to be free for the most part, and you're going to have premium section and so forth. And basically is the programmer, and I said to Bessie that I have this idea and I want you to bring it to life. Now, I did do a mock-up thing on a website and it looks so good, and I show him and I said, okay, this is how I want it to be, and I want this and this, and I did to it and so forth. He's working on it, but remember, he's taking his own little time because he have work. He's working on a website for me, like he have a lot of things to do. And me, I just want it right now. So, thank you, bestie. Love you. Him started. Me and him on the thing for about almost a whole night into our next day, trying to, bring over a file and doing all this and so forth. But it just wasn't going as fast as I wanted. So yesterday I reached out to him and I said, so can I play around with it? Create a copy of what he did and play around with it? Because me just knows that I can do it. You understand? Remember, I don't know of a program. And he said, don't trouble it, because if you trouble it, you might mess up everything. So I said, okay, can I create a new one and just start from scratch? He said, yeah, sure. I went ahead yesterday, created a new one, and guys, I went to my bed after 3. This morning I wake up after 6, watch church and so forth. I know me never not go to church because I still can't find the key, and we just never look fit, so no me never go to church. Anyway, I'm here, and guys, I'm happy to tell you that the thing just looks so good, like we literally build it from scratch. And obviously we're gonna need him to go over it with the whole, cause him know everything. Right now all me I do a copy and paste and just sort out everything and do the basic stuff. But me I tell you say, yo, the thing look good. I'll show you like a preview. So let this be a sign that, listen, nothing is too hard for you to do. From God give you the wisdom, you can do it. Like this, a visual studio. I never know nothing about this until Bestie tell me about it. This is me. Look, listen, I did all of this. If you click on all of them, something else come up. Look, whole heap of programs. Click on all of this, something else come up. Whole heap of program. Like you have whole heap of things in this. And I, V-La-Nessa, did this. So listen now, let me run it and show you. And listen, if we not publish it yet, I'm not going to show you. But me just show you for whenever that time come. Look on the app, but you not done yet. But we're getting there. Like look on the app, and this is just the web view. We not start like look the taskbar down there, so taskbar up here. So listen, don't play with me. And I chicken me a jerk. When me said last week, I am in my developing mood. I'm in my developing stage. That is what I mean. I am developing. Listen, back then I wanted to do IT. And I thought that was all lost and gone. And 2026, even though I did my degree in business, here I am doing coding. Talk to me nice. Listen, you can do anything you put your mind to. Just use this as a motivation, and anything that you want to do, just go out there and do it. God I will give you the wisdom. Like me never have the wisdom for this. God will give you the wisdom. And if you don't know heart to heart or brain for brain, God I will provide something out there. Someone, Google, YouTube. If you practice, listen to me. Listen. This is crazy. Anyway, take this as a motivation and get up. Do it. It will work. You just need time and patience. But let us have on chocolate last time I recorded it, and get up this morning. All I had was egg and bread. Me just down in it. Me a work and a chicken. Me a jerk. Listen. Anyway, that is my little motivation to you. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. It is now 12:33, and I think I'm gonna spend one more hour and do something on the app. But now I understand why programmers stay in their room all day for weeks and months, and to know that most of these people do all of this coding, type out everything by themselves before ChatGPT. These programmers must be happy that ChatGPT made life easy, because no man, even with the help of ChatGPT, is crazy. I've been working on this from yesterday. I went to my bed late, and I'm not going to my bed at 3 o'clock again. I'm going to give myself 1 hour and go to my bed. But literally I have to get up and say no, I'm going to tidy up the place, because I had dinner and I never tied up the place. No man. Listen, from today, put some respect on my name. I am a developer. Anyway, good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Today is Monday. You see, if I have any man that is a programmer or any IT kind of man, once I don't give him a play, leave that man alone. Cause I don't know why I got my bed 3 o'clock last night and wake up. I woke up 6 o'clock because the neighbor wanted me to move my car. Then I went back to bed because I was tired. And then I woke up at 10 o'clock. I literally have to force myself to get up, shower, and clean out the place. It may sound nasty, but I'm not nasty. Like, no, me have to say, no, V-La-Nessa, you've been at it for too long, because I just want it to be perfect. And then, not only that, you always inquire some difficulties, and that is what I'm facing right now. So now I have to like backtrack to get it back to where it was so that I can fix it. You know, why? This programming thing is not easy. I can put developer on my resume, a joke, yeah. But left the man alone. I need to go and pick up my passport. They told me to pick it up, but I don't think I'm gonna do it today. Nah, cause I still don't look for key yet. So tomorrow I go and pick it up. Yeah, but I literally had to force myself to season up some meat and tidy up the place and shower just so that, you know, I can get back in the groove of things and then I can go back on program. Right now, I'm going to go back on program. But this thing not easy yet. Right now, we have DMs where we need to respond to. You know what? I'm going to respond to the DM first and then go back to program. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. And right now, I am on my way to pick up my passport. Like I may get visa, I don't even know when I travel. But, you know, I just get it out of the way because that's one thing that I wanted to do and get out of the way. You know, when you have that list and you're trying to check it off, that's one thing. So, if you girl want to travel go to US, as much as I'm not on the program, I can do that. So, and then I also have people over there that I can go with, and if not, hotel it is. But I'm not planning to go anywhere any soon. So nobody thinks, say, yo, me go fly out. No, me just get it out of the way. Alright? The thing that I was working on yesterday, I don't even know if I'm going to show you the clip that I did yesterday because I had to do it over. Maybe I show you, but me do it over because the first one did nice. And then the second one did nice, right? But it never looks so professional, if you understand. So because, you know, the days of practice and so forth, and I know what I want, I said, you know what, let me just start fresh and do it over. And let me tell you now, it no reach nowhere because we just started this morning, but it looking way better. It look like something that, yes, this is it now. So I'm still working on it. Listen, I never know that coding was like this. I literally want to be before the computer every day, every night, just to complete it. And I'm almost there. But when I see people, look at me I drive like say I'm married and forget to say, while lane there, look at things say, my brake sharp. I drive and forget to say, yo, the people them I turn to. Because the people them not, to me I chat to them now cause it, you know. So right now, it they wish what me think it's supposed to do. Yes, we need some little touches, but it's easier. The last one that I was working on, because I had so much requests and so forth, it was a lot of pages. Like if you understand code, it's a lot of pages that me have to fix and so forth. So every time I need to fix something, me have to go through it individually. And I want it to be compressed. Yes, I need the pages, but I don't want too much pages, if you understand. So even if there's an error, if you guys are using it and there's an error, I can know where it is and go there rather than if you have to fix everything. You understand? So I'm kind of happy where it is right now, but obviously it's just a start again, so I need to put the additional tweaks and the informations and the plugins and so forth. So I'm kind of excited. So guys, whenever the app comes, download it and use it. It's free. Yes, you're going to have a premium side to it, but it's fully usable without you using the premium side. So use it, leave a comment, like it on the app store and so forth. Last night I was just there talking to Bestie and I was like, I wonder what else God is putting in my brain to just do. First time I used to have an idea and it used to stay there and I used to think about how am I gonna do it. Now I get the idea and just acting on it. Any idea that comes to my mind, I'm going to do it, and eventually I know that one I'm going to take off and it's going to sustain the others, and then most of them is going to be like residual income, and that is something that everyone should strive to get, because you know, when you're sleeping you're making money. Who don't want to do that, right? While yes, I have the business and so forth. So I am actively working and to gain like knowledge as it relates to even trading, everything, because something have to turn, something have to happen. So let's go to Kingston to get our passport.
Yes, Briggy.
Yes, sir.
So I have Bolognese and a bag joke and a multiple indefinite.
Who again? Mona Visa, I could frame you. Oh, with you, I know I've got my money's worth. And all you people who grudge me, I don't blame you. For me own a visa stamp in my passport. For the first time, me a go America, and me own a visa. No more Bandulu style, this is a brand new start. When I use my friend's passport or bogus green card, they report to me, make them deport to me. But you look oh so real, Mona Visa. And though you cost me plenty, you're a work of art. Mona Visa, Mona Visa.
Guys, I got it. I joke, so they put this in it so that I follow the rules and so forth, but I got it. How am I supposed to show you? Like, yeah, got it. And it looks so much different from the H2B visa. You can't say like a official something. The H2B thing was official, but the one here, it different. You can see the, what do you call it? You know when them stamp something and it just, I don't know if you tell you. You know what I try to say, but I don't know what I try to say. So basically, it's paper and you can feel the stamp inside it, like it integrated into the paper. Everything does 3D effect. And normally when I used to go and pick up, they used to send it to DHL and I would have to go and find it. But this time is like next to the embassy. They have a whole building where you go in and it's official. You can't even turn on your phone and you have to, you know, it's just official. So I kind of like that because at least them have a whole thing for themselves and there's no mix up with DHL and it's cool. So right now I'm here at Bestie's work looking for him, like I didn't see him this morning. Just come to say hi and bye. I was thinking that maybe I should go to my cousin and let her do my foot and my nails, but I'm not sure. So guys, it's almost time I let my cousin do my nails and something for me. Right now, I just want to go home. At the road, I just can't believe how people just do it. Just every day, they just step on this road. Like the traffic. Where do I get money from for buying so much car? No, sir. There's like so much traffic. Like Jamaica, they need to implement something where you're not supposed to drive, you know? And you just take the bus or the train, but they must have effective system because the road too congested, man. The road too congested. Like, just have a bus system where they have a bus, just a bus or a train or so forth, and they come at specific time and it organize and just take the bus, go wherever you want to go. Like, it just be for those who going to work and those who going to school. So if you go to work, you have to take the bus. Yeah. And then for those who probably go run errands, them can drive them car. And if they don't want to drive them car, then can still take the bus system. Once them know, alright, they might go from point A to point B. Because having so much vehicle and it's only getting worse and worse, it's just too much. Like if you're going to do business, just best believe say that take you a good 4 hours to complete your business, even though on a regular day that take you an hour. No sir. So I'm just gonna go home, get something to eat, go home and finish work on the app because can't do this. I'm hungry right now, very hungry, so we'll get something to eat. I don't know what yet. I might just go supermarket and buy something because tomorrow I might just do Bolognese, pasta Bolognese. I might just do that tomorrow. I might just use the chicken mince instead of the beef. So that's what I want. Pasta Bolognese. Today is Wednesday, on my way to church. But tell me why it's 91 degrees. 91 degrees me hot. And the car is hot. No sir. I can't even touch the steering till the steering hot. The AC now cool enough. It's good. But yeah, on my way to church, and I know this week it's not only this week, it's actually last week into this month. But the thing is, I'm in my planning stage where I'm doing stuff. So we can't do the outside thing, can't do the bag of spending and so forth because the money I spend on other stuff, literally, I pay for subscription as it relates to platforms that I need for, say for instance, the business we are trying to do our website, so we have to pay hosting fee and all them something there. So the money have to go towards something related to that. But guys, as it relates to I don't even know if I said it, but as it relates to the app that I'm building, I completely changed everything. The first one, it looked good and so forth, but it wasn't functional. This one, it's simpler and it's better. And I'm going to show you how it looks and so forth. And the reason why I'm talking about it right now, because I feel like I can actually launch it within a week, less than a week. And my only thing is that I have to pay for Apple. I have to pay for Apple platform to host it on, so that you guys can get it in the Play Store. Because majority of the people them have Apple phone. I already paid for Android, so I can host it on that. $25 for the year, but for Apple, don't make it so expensive. Can't stand no expensive much. $100 for the year just to host something on the Play Store. So you know what I'm gonna do? After me done this, so something else me gonna build because I have to make back that $100. And that is one of the things them that me literally have to spend money on. Yeah, so soon launch, and what I may do is that the first 50 to 100 people, I think 50, may I push it to, let me say 100, that it's not like some 100 people. But yeah, the first 50 people download it, can go on for free and get full access and so forth. So I think I may do that, but don't quote me on it because I have to look into everything and so forth. But on my way to church, I didn't go Sunday, so I miss a Wednesday. And I'm in full black, which I don't think it's a good idea because it's so hot. But if you know, church is very cold, the AC is always up there, and that is why you should give your tithes and offering. You understand? I can't find my NCB card. I mean, I wonder if people use money and find me. I don't even know, because I saw someone that said that somebody withdrew 700,000. I don't see how that is possible, because unless it's a business account, because the minimum hour 150 or 100,000, and even that no make no sense. But the fact that the minimum is 100,000 per day, it kind of keep the thief them out. But come like that, nah, keep them out. It'll keep you out from your own money, but the other people them can use the money and shake. She said it look like it's true. I don't even know. But yeah. Anyhow, that's it for today really. So just came in from church. And here cooking pasta bolognese, something like that. You'll see it. But I'm gonna make it creamy because the plan was to make pasta bolognese. But then when I was scrolling on social media, I saw someone did it, but they had cream to it. I was like, yeah, might as well do that. So that is what I'm making today. Just something different, something fancy. I wish we had wine, but we don't have any. But it's gonna be great regardless. I'm here working on the app, and I can see probably by today's what, Wednesday, probably by Friday everything is complete. Probably by even tonight, but by Friday, God's willing, everything is complete. And yes, I didn't do much, but I've been working. As I said earlier, I want to make like 50% get access to the premium section for free. I did a whole 360. If you saw the one before, that one did look fancy, but it wasn't practical. This one is more practical, where it actually in sync and makes sense. Remember, the first one was just a trial. I did 3 now. The first one I did was nice. I loved it. But the thing is, the platform that I made it on, it didn't make sense because guess what? If it fail or any bugs or so forth, I wouldn't be able to fix it because the platform we use. So now I use the official programming website, that not website, the official software that everybody use, and do it. So if any issues and so forth, I can actually go in and fix it myself, and I have full control of it. That's the second one. But the second one, it was a try. I was trying, I was learning, so I did a lot of mistakes, but it came out really good. But in order to make it cohesive, I would have to do a lot more stuff. So I said, you know what, let me just start over. It may not going to be as pretty as the first one, but it makes sense. And sometimes simplicity is good. Not only that, if you guys want me to finish that one and no one to buy it from me, I will totally sell it. So you can get it for yourself, put it on the Play Store or the Apple Store, whatever you want to call it, and sell it and put it up if you I make money from it because it's really good. So, but this is the one that it's my baby. I will just change the name as it relates to the first one because I was using the name and sell it to one. But this one is my baby. I am happy that I did this, and I'm excited for this one. I was excited for the book, but now I'm excited for this. And as you can see, guys, in 2 months I just been putting out stuff. And today when I went to church, it's like the preacher was listening to our conversation. I remember the days when my friend and I, we used to like have a conversation, and then when we go to church Sunday, Bishop preached about it. That is what exactly happened today. Remember, I was telling you guys that right now I'm in my developing stage. When they're really ready for promote, we just I do the things, then put them out there, knowing that I did it. And the word today was be still. And meaning that don't worry about nothing. God got me. Do what I have to do, seek Him. And this time in our life is to be still so that God can pour out onto us, speak to us, and then we can actually hear the direction God wants us to be. When we're all over the place thinking about a lot of stuff, sometimes our mind is so crowded that God can't even talk to us because we are so busy. Yeah, so the message for today was being still, and that is exactly what I'm doing. Being still, doing whatever comes to my mind. If God say, all right, book I want you to work on right now, do the book, finish the book. You realize I started off with the kids crossword book, and then I said, you know what, let me do the adult one. Right? I did the adult one. And then I was like, what about a coloring book, a devotional coloring book? I did 3 of those, right? And then after I did that, I was not done. I was like, remember that book that I was supposed to write from Wapikill Philip? I did that. You realize? Start from taking baby step. The first baby step was doing the crossword for the kids, then the adult, then the devotional, and then the big book. And then we jump and go launch business. Who me think maybe? And then now me jump at the programming. No man. Hey, and honestly, I'm here and I'm completing this, and I realize that it's coming to an end. And I'm like, what else God is going to download in my spirit? Like, honestly, me literally there, I'm going to ask Bestie, I'm going to say, Bestie, I wonder what else I'm going to work on next. Because as they come, I just have to push it out. I am not no longer worried about, oh, what if and what if and what if and what if I don't have the resources. No, once God bring it to me, I'm going to do it and then I'll complete it. Before I used to start and not complete, now I am completing it. And as much as me not I see the things coming in or money coming in and so forth, I know that eventually all of what I'm doing will succeed and it will cause residual income. YouTube, residual income. Book, app, residual income. Only the business is going to be me working. Yes, multiple stream of income. And I also have stocks, getting dividends and so forth. So you get me I say? I know that I'm not out there partying and gallivanting and going to different rivers and beach and so forth. Right now, I'm just focusing on building me and doing what God is putting in my spirit so that I can support other people. You understand? VP support services. Let me show you what I'm cooking. Alright, so that's dinner. Tastes really good. You guys should try it if you never tried before. Just Bolognese with a little twist. Really good. Right now, I'm going to finish making this up. I think today is going to be the final day of me making it because I've been working on it non-stop. Even in the late night hours, I've been working on it. So I think it's coming to an end. And tomorrow, I was thinking that maybe I need to go fair here. I asked my cousin to plot upload it so I can do the thing there. No, probably not. Maybe because I need to edit too. I need to edit the video for you guys. I don't know. Because the thing is, we probably go somewhere weekend. Yeah, we probably go somewhere weekend just to de-stress. And I wanted to do my hair. But I can always just wear my naturally. I don't, always been wearing my naturally. And to be quite frank, I think my naturally kind of suit me. We just need the right product. Right now, it's a drop off because it's dry and I'm not taking care of it. I'm just working on something else. Anyway, that's it for tonight. I don't think I have nothing else to come to you about. No, because everything done. That's just basically it today. Tomorrow, either I finish, if I don't finish the app, but I'm definitely going to start editing tomorrow because for the past 2 weeks, I've been editing on Friday. And that is very stressing. Literally start editing on Friday. I don't want to do that because even though I couldn't, because it's not like say there's a lot in this vlog, it's just me talking. Hey guys, new day. So I'm driving to pick up a package and I just feel like I want to sleep. I feel like I want to sleep and I'm just here using you guys. Cause if me no talk, there's no saying we might drop asleep and then cause an accident. And at some point I feel like I did want it to pull over and just take a nap. Because I didn't get to sleep good last night. And it's not even the program because last night I didn't even look at it and I didn't even look at it this morning. But, I got some news and so forth and it kind of just threw me off. Things happen and it kind of threw me off. Just the year I think about everything. And I'm waiting on a call to decide my next move. And then I thought I had service on the phone, so I really don't have no service. The music that I have on my phone, I really don't feel like listening to it. I actually feel like listening to gospel song. And I need a service so that maybe I just need to sit still and be still. But me sitting still and being still make me want to sleep, Yeah. So the package that I'm going for is a brand collab. I'm not going to pull it in this one or review it in this vlog. I'm going to review it in the other one because I want to ensure that they get a good review. And if I do it today, it's just going to be something very good. So they gave me until next Saturday. And that is perfect. So I'm not going to review it. And then I also have another package which is my book, and I should get another one tomorrow. I don't know why they split up the book because I bought them all together and then just split up the order of them. And that costs me more. I really need to find like a publisher out here so that I can print the book. Because if I'm to get it from Amazon, it probably will cost me more because I have to pay Amazon. I think depending on which one, if I the hardcover or the paperback. The paperback are like $3-4. The hardcover $7. And then to ship it out, I think I got 5 or 4 books and I have to pay $3,000 to clear it. To me, I don't think that's worth it. So I need to find a publisher out here so that I can print it and have a lump sum. So that whenever I go on like expos and so forth, I have stuff to sell. That is one of the reasons why I've not been to like expos or any of those things, because I don't want to go with just a barcode. Guys, so yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I was saying that I want my car to wash. I was going to wash my car. I know inside dirty. Well, best to clean it inside. I know. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. Well, not for now anyway. So God bless his heart. He heard me complaining and he just clean it. Say it's a brand that give me this. Yeah, very big box. But I'm not going to open that one. I'm going to open this so that you guys can see it. We can both get the first impression together. I know this one is probably mine because it has the Amazon Prime on it, while the other one is just a box and I think that's from China. Ooh! Ooh, look at that. It's better. Hardcover. So I actually got these one for myself. Oh my god. I'm in love. It's the hardcover one. I'm in love. Welcome. And it's thicker. I promised you guys that I was going to make it thicker, and I did. So now you guys can actually go and get it. This one is so nice. I love it. And then all of this is in here is mine, because I said I'm going to get the hardcover for myself. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks so good. Oh my god. It looks so good. Oh my god. It looks so good. Oh my god. It looks so good. Look at that. Oh my, it looks so good. And I have others coming, the one that I want to send. Look at this one. It looks so good. Oh my god. I love them. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the hardcovers are better, guys. Oh my god. I love it. It looks so good. And then my book. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's an actual reading book. Oh my god. This is so crazy. If I was down, this made my day. Oh my god. I love it. I'm in love. Oh my god. And it's perfect. You know that side. Oh, sorry. You know that thing that's like, oh wow, perfect. Love, 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 love. Yes, this is it. And oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god. I love it, guys. Oh my god. The hardcovers are better. Like, still here. Look at that. Oh my god. So better. Nice. Guys, I'm so excited. Now I can actually use them, because I didn't want to color in the ones. Like, I'm so excited. I did this. Guys, you can do anything that you put your mind to. I remember the days when I was going to church and this lady came to me and said, do you want to be on the cover of a book? And I was like, okay. And me and my friend did it, and her picture got cut off, but mine was on it. It was a big smile, and so crazy, because I'm like, wow, imagine I'm going places that I don't even know, because that book travel across different countries. And it's so crazy to know that, listen, I created these books and it looks good. I love the fact that when I created the first one, I was like, no, I can't give the people that. I need to go and give them more for their money. And hardcovers, guys, the hardcover is so good. You can get the other one, obviously, but I am so happy. The hardcovers are so good, so pretty. Like, I love this cover the best. It's so simple and nice. This one is color your healing, color your soul, and color your world. So happy. And then this, oh my god, Jesus. I was so hesitant as I come to this meeting. I was scared. I was like, probably it's not going to be too much words. I was literally searching, because I like to do my research. I was searching and I was looking at the pages, how much pages other books have. Mine have less than 200. So it's going to be flat, and I don't want it to be flat. But this is so perfect. Guys, you guys are on 5%. And I'm just going to sit here and just bask in the moment.
Guys, I know you guys see how bodies see. If you guys want your summer body, please ensure to go on Amazon and get this amazing book by V-La-Nessa. I know you see it's a coloring book. You can get it for your children. It's a really good book, and it has some pages that encourage you to read your Bible, and it has Bible chapters in there, Bible pages. Guys, make sure you guys go and get this. When you guys get this, trust me, by the time when you done color in there and pray, the next man will wake up body matching magically tea. Like, trust me, take it from the person. I know y'all see this body. I cannot stand up and shake. What you see on V-La-Nessa's YouTube channel. If you're watching this, please ensure that you subscribe. Bye everybody. I get about 40% of the profit, so guys, please you help me make me help you, because when you guys purchase these books, Vanessa will be so happy she'll be able to produce more content for you guys, right? And when you guys subscribe, the content will move from consistent to even more consistent. Like every week I get more. So guys, please subscribe, because when you subscribe, it also benefits me, because when it's like, it will bring up me to make more content for you guys. Okay, bye. Because I think you're
Guys, we're literally here and I'm just so mesmerized by the book. The book looks so good. Like me just, oh God, look at this. It looks so good. Like even Rihanna, I went to look for Rihanna and she wanted to steal them. I told her that I'm gonna give her one. I was gonna give her this one, but I was like, no, I want to give her the real one. That is the copy, but the hardcover look so good, and I am so glad that I actually had more paper in it, more pages, so that you guys can actually enjoy it. The other one, it did nice and I was excited about it, but when I got it, as I said, it wasn't giving. Like, this just looked like me that Rabono, honestly. So for the person who buy it, I apologize. Reach out to me. If you did buy it and you get that, reach out to me and I'll replace the other one. So right now, I am so content with it, so I can now bring it to the bookstore and say, hey, listen, I need my books on the shelf, or you better remove everybody else's book. Period. Right? The others are coming, the paperback one that I'm going to give away. And then I also have the others for this. I don't know if I'm going to give away this. No, just the other ones. I'm going to use those because that's a sensitive information. So if you want that, you have to go pay for that. It looks so good. So good. You see how much time I said so good? It's so good. Good morning, guys. Today we are going to Cinchona Botanical Garden. But we don't know our way, so we're going to follow this guide that's on YouTube. And while we go, may I take care of it, because guess what? I am here editing the video that you'll be getting tomorrow. So when you get it on time, you better like the video and subscribe. Alright? I feel like every time we go out, the clothes just want to know so we go out. We're going out, because tell me why it start raining every time. Tell me why. So, but we still are going out. We still are going, right? The last time we could drive all the way to St. Mary, we could even go into the water. The views is orgasmic. Ooh, it's that nice little junction. That looks good. You think it's a Nick? When I say, oh, we are coming.
G. Go on there to the Hilux. You know the respect. See there?
It looks.
Go on up this road like I don't know nothing.
it is just a fling me go and a fling me go. Hey, come like say, you're not going nowhere sensible. Always I go some bush.
Yeah, brother.
No, adventure this. We need an action camera for all these. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh.
Yeah, let's show you views and your nasty views.
Mine you go over the center because me a fly out.
You can fly out?
Yeah, if you don't care.
You can't fly out because you're inside of the job first. You see a Spider-Man.
We need an action camera. We're going to invest in that one. Guys, buy the book so we can invest in that one. It always nice. Buy the book, as Rihanna said. Buy the support me so we can support you. So next time, whatever say that. No, babe, I don't know where I'm going. Because the road where I'm take come like say from 1969.
This boy
no road. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the bush. Later up for whiny. Tiny whiny. Boomba. Boy, hold on the driver, wait. Hey, we just overcome the chocolate, so go through.
Every time we see danger, the time we say it's your turn, Pope.
Ooh.
I know, bro.
Look how we are here to view them. Bomba. Over there's a name Mount Everest. They have look at the view there. Lovely. Very good. You know them say back of God, I know me just realize where is back of God. Just a while ago we stop and we asked a guy, a man, where is Cinchona? The man said, way up on the hill there. Which why you see you fog. Hold on, where go? Oh, you say right, you did say right.
I said we're going to go Cinchona, my boss. See you where?
The man say, way up on the hill, let me show you. You can't even see it. The hill there, way down the sun go up so. Man, I laugh after we. You should just go river. Rituals and then
Is the thing that no way about you want to try so you put that on.
yeah, but you can't see anything on a fog. Yeah, try to
above the fog. We are above the fog. At the same thing with the people.
yeah, try to attempt the video that you see on they call it on YouTube with the man with the drone fly go 6 miles. Yeah, so we not everybody go there, don't we? Look at this.
Get over there.
Look in the middle of what the hell? What the hell?
We're there. Enjoy yourself. But like we're there.
Who wants banana? Let's go for some banana.
Right,
And we got some Guinea for the road because by the time we reach we did feel hungry. Single file.
Cinchona fun.
I really Cinchona because you have to sync with the road.
Take cool data.
Exactly. No sir. What?
So yo, what's Cinchona about? So.
Hey, man, I say,
You're not too near where you're going.
You know where you decide so you have to put yourself and go Cinchona.
Where you really?
I wonder if they have river nearby. Because without this, if they have river in this. Do everything in that one.
Oh yeah.
Probably I'll not even up there.
Not up there than about the same thing you see. Hopefully it's still up there. You know them say, brother. Brother. Well, I'm not seeing brother, you can see where.
Man say up there so. You see if I go up there so? You can't even see it. 1 hour left. Go here. You can't even see. The road is roading. I hope we can get some vegetation like some banana and then something up there because for this drive and nothing. That fun when you go up there. Call Shanake. I mean Shanake drive behind me.
Shanake will probably reach a guard to us, make sure you test. Guys, later.
No, you know, she like adventure. Or probably she not go drive.
When she see this, she said, turn off her up. I'm not being open to say, I'm not call me when you.
When I get the picture, when we get closer because I'm tired. 1 hour later, I'm still a drive. Tired. Passenger princess is hard work, let me tell you. I feel like, I don't even know. I feel like I've been driving for hours. When you put it in the rocks up, it kind of stop the shocks, like, not stop the shocks, but yeah, I not feel the rocky no more. So then say I go 6 miles per hour.
4-wheel drive system is engaged. Just in a mud, but not in a mud, when they're on a beach. So we make sure we're in a rock and dirt. 4-wheel drive system engaged.
I don't know, so I'm not a sense already, right? And the Morocco to all of my sense system. We used to have tasting, smelling, touch, and
You sure?
Yeah.
Saying, it's a touch.
You have hearing, seeing, touch, taste, no a feeling.
Touching our feelings is which one?
That's the same thing. Feeling.
After you see me off here, I never get engaged in the 5 senses, brother.
Yeah, cause you shake them out so we don't remember which one we have. We have smelling, seeing, tasting, touch and hearing. And then you shake them out.
Not even know where else I we can't ask it anymore because I was when I say turn now.
Yeah, right now not even Google. Google Map not even not pick up. Google Map say turn back around and then go round so. And then I'll take care next hour. So right now we just at drive. Yeah, do this right.
Me and she again.
I look at things that we never eat no food that was vomit.
Yes, make it come up here and empty stomach.
What we gonna eat? Food up there? We're not even getting no food. No, but look how much actual and then we're going to eat my last banana. Well, you have your own. Well, any mango tree, because the amount of mango tree you just pass it, but stop at the next one.
I'm not here.
Oh, that can't fill me belly. Now talking about it, me feel hungry now. And then we go back home. Or go back down the hill.
What should I think about? We're not even sure where we are going. We think we are going to the right place and we don't know. And you worry about your belly. You man, you know.
And them are
sing on ya.
Feeding too. Well, that is the fuck on.
From there, I go to the people behind me and down the bottom of the hill seats there.
Guys, no, we best carry going about. If you don't hear from me again, just say we love you though. Because but I don't know what this is. What is this? I even don't care about out.
It's Jamaica.
No, sir.
Hey, you're clean. I can't tell you what I'm about.
And then I'm going to talk about next time we come up here. So, me. What is this? Oh, Lord. I think I dropped one. Thank God. So people really come up at them place, yeah? For what?
For viewers. Watch your YouTube channel, I got to go off. Watch out the YouTube channel, I got to go off. Front.
I thought I was going on a venture. But I never know that this man I plan to carry me, go kill me.
Oh my God. I denounced that.
What's that? In my carry me furthest place and can't show me how to live and nobody know find.
God, I have nothing to do with what she's talking about.
No, because why we couldn't go somewhere closer, somewhere in a
botanical garden.
But I look about a botanical garden we just passed. Look at much bush over there, so see bush over here, so this is what we call fever grass. You know them grass like scratch.
Yeah, when the window clean all the scratch.
Hey, they scratch, you know? They scratch. Koya. You know when you go through all on bamboo, all on grass.
Oh, yeah. Take it as a joke.
Oh, man. And you can't even turn back.
I don't
This
think I'm
is
going to sleep up there tonight.
crazy.
That's her car. The way that the motion to go back to it. I wouldn't even have to.
Talk truth, and it's like a little river up here so we could have cooled them. So everybody look on you and wonder where you go. People don't say,
Dad, I wake up time. I wouldn't have to go to sleep up there. After big match there, I was like, good episode. You come here. I want to episode.
you know, see? Botanical grass.
I'm on your post it already. Just because of it.
Front.
Yeah, where to go get yourself, Paco?
Someone.
Still on the AC because me ask.
Someone turn. Oh God.
Front
Someone
right.
turn. You don't know why we as man return to God.
Front right.
Take away the spirit from us of adventure. Take away from God. We don't know what we have in this.
It's a bit of laughing. You can't even turn reverse. You can't reverse one side like that. You can't turn back. Look behind at the cliff the right, so now we are
Front
come.
left.
With a pocket can't
Front.
walk. Cause you hear the people them say they walk. You
Front
drive
left.
up here so.
Front.
The car. The car.
Front
The car.
right.
Yeah. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah. What's up? Car boy. Car sit down. Oh, we are go. Oh, we are car we go. Yes. Hear that?
I hear the car, don't you? Next time, I know I'm going to ask you where, when, and why.
And you do your research.
I'm do my research on YouTube,
And you
guys.
say, no, I'll be here at home.
Exactly.
Watching the TV.
Somebody have to
watching
tell the
YouTube.
tales.
Yeah, you tell me.
See, we reach now still because we can sit like the little flat part up there, so we still have like 10 minutes to go. You see it? You see the line up there, so? I know what point next Friday if you come down in the cars. I can't remember that.
The bush.
What am I do? Clear the bush?
Yeah, me, you come on and make me clear it.
Alright. See, this is what I'm talking about.
Inconvenient. I'm so inconvenient. I'm a drive. I'm so inconvenient.
You want to go clear bush.
I'm so
And the car
inconvenient.
can.
I'm so inconvenient.
What is this?
Where is this man taking me to?
What's that?
Where is this man taking me?
That truth. We are in the bush a fight up here. Hey, right now, would I rather drive on a patrol in my town?
Get up, me laugh. Get up, me laugh, God. Why this?
All the sense of that ball. Like you must say I'm tired of crying. It is. The sense of stop crying. You are entering the building and John Crow Mountain National Park.
Can't deal with this stuff. This is all this up stuff, crying.
Oh, it's that ball.
Oh God, what is this? What is in top crying? Not what I care the book that you tell.
No, you see, it can't stop the front here. Ding. Guys, you see, I sweat now. I feel hiking mountain to go up it up. You see people walk from down and garden town come all the way up here, so I'm tired and I stung me now. I'm tired. Hey, you better press the one next car and come down here. But see, I go by bush.
You know, I never heard tired of this. This is almost a road like it narrow.
Narrower than this? Narrower than this? No, sir.
Jamaica, stop. Jamaica, stop. No, Jamaica, stop.
How can you get any narrower than this? You feel that? Feel nice and cool, you feel it? The fact that they put upside that means that there is something. Guys, too long we are drive all night, come down. Tired. If you Oh, Jesus.
Front left.
Oh, no.
I take up with the public. I didn't pick out that. I said, oh, that left.
Did you in a meeting? So, I don't know if we got direct him. See, you might go check the road. This is what we are left with because there's a big rock right there, and then there's a ditch right there. Basically, kind of off the cliff, but we can make it now. But we want to see if it makes sense to continue and go up. I wanted an adventure, but this is not the adventure that I really wanted, and yeah.
Front. Front.
Let's see if we can come out now. You can come out?
Okay.
Front right. Front right.
Guys, we tried. We tried and we just couldn't go any further. For one, the vehicle
Front left.
not high enough. And then it doesn't make sense for us to try to go over it and then you might punch us something. And we get stranded on the road. So better we go yard. We're not going yard
Front
still,
left.
but you understand? Yeah. I got a little drone shot, but
Fight it battles them.
yeah, you have to
Front
choose which
right.
battles. Yeah.
You know, fight everything.
Right. So right now we're trying to reverse to go
Downhill. You can't
downhill
go forward.
because
You can't go forward.
can't go forward, you can't turn. But there's a little part
Front-
somewhere. How far past it? I don't remember.
Wrong person.
Front and rear.
To all no service not the year, all Starlink chipping. We have 2 clock, one that's the local time,
Front
2,
right.
and the next one's the home 3 o'clock, so we
Right.
don't even know the time.
I hear the sing like Christmas.
Right side. Front right.
Yeah, I say me drive, and cannot reach where I want to go. I've never seen this before. It's like me I say, dog, man, I say Cinchona, we not reach us.
If I hear the name.
Man, them say, brother, you sure see y'all good as like in that man poor guy.
Exactly, them a look on you weird. You should not take the first sign and say, you know what? Never mind. I can't imagine. But thank God we never tell the people then say, oh yeah, me they tell them, so we go Cinchona.
Yeah, alright. You say you're more interested, so you can disappoint your fans.
Yes,
You
I
go over there now.
disappoint them.
You know, you're over there
I'm
now.
gonna take down somebody else's video and say, guys, this is what you should have seen. You never really see it.
No, man. My girl, I think about disappointing her fam, and we're there, so in this.
This stress.
If I be there,
About
you can defend yourself.
6 hours here reverse Friday. I joke about 15 minutes. The Poland person, I'm gonna know why you change your mind. If you always follow your instinct.
Cinchona. Oh, we are going to Cinchona Falls, guys.
And then it's not, I know falls.
Cinchona
Garden. You ever hear you go garden yet? You take up and say, boy, you go garden. You're not even into flowers.
Philip met that video there. I'm Philip there.
No, another. Where am I?
Let's see, turn now. What's that, brother?
You find it now?
Yeah.
Thank you,
Mighty
Jesus.
God.
Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. We can go forward now. No longer backwards.
Forward is a privilege. Man.
Forward ever.
I mean, I turn.
Backwards never.
In the So,
This is how far we reach. Well, kinda.
Nah, move.
Anyway, guys, I'm sorry I disappoint you. It's just this
Next
is the
time
thing.
I'm gonna rent one of the jet tour.
Tell you if you rent the people them things. Not really rent them, but you know, got to store them and tell we want to see if we can buy it. We not come back, so I know why you.
No, if you get a good SUV, but
I don't want to come back. And this is the other road they're gonna take not this one.
God, it what it is.
Guys, best to disappoint us again. One week in Carrots. But actually disappointment though. When we go to Appetite Destiny. Close. And then we went to which fall? Reggae Falls. And it's dirty. And then we went to we went to St. Mary.
Front left.
At
Strawberry.
We have 4 times.
Front left.
And we in a fall. And then today it just can't reach.
He does a laugh. He does a laugh and merry.
4
I don't
blocks.
understand how are you so merry and where we are. You understand with it?
So when we supposed to do cry? I never have a name for the vlog, you know. So we can say you a big fail.
Front.
And ask me things so loud. You move up.
Fail. Him fail we that we gonna say. We gonna name him fail we.
Feel we?
Front
And then
left.
when we have one clip, my partner the clip and we say something about
Oh, yeah,
left him. Yeah, we gonna make them we gonna open it, make it feel like say some relationship problem.
No,
Front
right, no sense. You
No.
just drama, bro. You're just toxic. You're just a toxic.
And then label it and say him fail we. Guys, him fail we. But then and then you have the fast people they want to come and say, Lord Jesus, yes man. Yeah man, a long time we look for this, you know. And then when they watch him vlog they realize
You're just happy. Dog, I can't see what in front of you. You don't say, where I'm going to go through.
what you want me to do cry, man?
You're not even worried again about the blouse and skirt.
But glad to be I go back home. Are the same where you go?
Yeah,
We are the part. No, that's so good.
Calm down, me. Look and see the depth of the drop. Can we have a drop rest? You have to look and idea and have an idea.
But that way they go over just a while ago.
There's a drop right in front of you right now. We're gonna go over.
Anyway, guys, later
Front.
we're gonna make it out. And we make it out, we call him. You see, God work wonders
Front
because the
right.
boy I try carry go through you off the cliff.
Okay,
And God just put a big old hill so he can't cross it.
Boom, right, that's how I carry your body, go man.
You carry what you say, what guys?
Front.
Go so now. Whoa.
Front.
Oh yeah, what? You a bad driver? Yeah man. Yes man. Galang what? Yes.
Front right.
Whoa, go so now because I go drop off you. See them? Can I say go drop
No,
off?
you can't jump off.
Whoa. RAV4. If you don't want a RAV4, what you do? Bombard. Watch it, all the bird are run away. Bird not even fly because they reach the altitude. The bird not even fly no more because he reach the altitude.
That's true. You know the dog can't live far from it. Dog, so you use the item.
Yeah, too high. He said too
I
high.
have to come to GPS. I have to come to GPS.
And then this one another skid now. This is they put it in a mud. Show the people that we put it in mud. Put it in mud. Mud. Okay, and it's the mud. Hold on. Whoa. In a show. What? Over. Clear so. Clean so. What? Yeah, sell more for. Only $7 million, and then I say give me the money, just road go back. RAV4 go buy one. Jet tour. Don't know the jet tour. RAV4 drive.
Front.
RAV4 you think I said, yo, you can't go down. Alright, look at later, yeah. We already done cross the verse. I think.
Front left.
If you recall.
I want nice river the years and guys, but we just can't cross it.
You can cross, it's just like with two alone, you're not able to dip.
Yeah, you can't.
You can't dip.
No, man, talk about the one down there, so you can't cross it. You have to go through some bush. And if I up here, so, when the spirit fish guy come sometimes, as him go off road, you know. Guys, when we were coming, right, we saw a man that lived right there, so, and we asked him which part of Cinchona there, and the man said, come let me show you. And then carry go down there, and then say, listen, I'll way over there, so, and we not even reach it better, we did just listen to the man, because the man like him a laugh.
You know.
Yeah, the man like him and say, you really want to go to Cinchona? This funny star. And him carry and I laugh same time materially. And we still never reach. Guys, we're back in Portmore. We were wondering if we should go to the beach, the one that you come off the highway, just wet our foot because since it never work cool, but I want to see if I can get clip and insert it before this clip. So that is what we're trying to go to see. But if I don't get to go to the beach, then I just want to close off this vlog. Thank you for watching it. Like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends and your family. And I want you to put like a flower or like a flower or a plant or something in the description down below. Yeah. Oh, the aki? Oh, mango, no, apple, me smell it. Anyway, thank you guys. Love you long time. See you next week.